Students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 4, Exercise 4.4, Construction of Tangents. Okay, listen. Construction of tangents to a circle. We have three different types. First one, a tangent to a circle using the center of a circle. Second one, a tangent to a circle using alternate segment theorem, that is without using the center of a circle. Sometimes it may be given using tangent chord theorem, both same only, alternate segment theorem or using tangent chord theorem. And the third one, construction of pair of tangents from an external point to a circle. Three different types. Now we can go for the first type, a tangent to a circle using its center. Okay, that is problem number 12. Draw a tangent at any point or capital R on the circle of radius 3.4 centimeter and center at P. What's the center of a circle? P. A point which lies on the circle is capital R. What is the radius of the circle? 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Here is the question. The radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter. We can draw a rough diagram. Draw a circle. So rough diagram only. It can be of any radius. Okay. Center of the circle, that is given as P. Then from that point P, draw a horizontal line let it be R. R is a point on the circle, that is given in the question itself, any point R on the circle. Then we have to construct a tangent to the circle. You know the tangent, it is a straight line, touches a circle at one point. Let it be T dash. T dash is the required tangent for a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. It should be perpendicular. This box refers to 90 degree. So once again I tell you, draw a rough diagram. It can be of any radius. It's a rough diagram only. P is the center of a circle. Draw PR. R should lie on the circle. The length of PR is a radius. That length is given as 3.4 centimeter. Then draw a line. This line must touch the circle at one point. That point should be R. So T dash is the required tangent. Now how to construct your tangent for a circle? Now we can go for the fair diagram. Now take compass, measure 3.4 centimeter using compass with the help of a scale. 3.4 centimeter. You know how to take that? After taking 3.4 centimeter, draw a circle. Draw a circle. like this. Have drawn a circle, center of the circle, that is P. From P, draw a horizontal line, PR. The point R lies on the circle. Now PR is the radius. You know the definition of a radius. A radius is a straight line segment joining from the center of a circle to a point which lies on the circle. That is called the radius. So PR is the radius. Here the radius is 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Now take the compass. Now you have to draw 5 arcs, right? Keep the compass at R. To any radius, don't go beyond the point P. Don't go beyond the point P. Draw a bigger arc. Like this. This point, let it be L. Without changing the radius, keep the compass at L. Draw an arc over here without changing the length. That's very important. Now let it be M. Now keep the compass at M. Don't change the length. This is a third arc. Okay. And let it be N. Again I tell you, keep the compass at R, any radius, draw an arc without changing the length, keep the compass at L, let it be L, arc number 2, let it be M, without changing the length, draw the third arc, it cuts the previous arc at N. So far we have drawn 3 arcs. Now listen carefully. If you want, you can extend, you can change the radius now. Okay, now have changed. Now 2 more arcs. Already I told you 5 arcs to be drawn. So far we have drawn 3 arcs. Arc number 1, arc number 2, arc number 3. Now 4th arc can change now. Listen. Keep the compass at M. In between M and M, at the top, draw an arc. Now without changing the length, keep the compass at N. Draw arc number 5. So far we have drawn 5 arcs. This 5th arc cuts arc number 4 at one point. Mark a point. Okay. Now join the marked one and R. Join and extend. This is a required tangent. Put arrow mark over here. Even here you can put an arrow mark. It should be 90 degree. That's a perpendicular one. So let it be T. This one is T dash. That's all. This is the construction of a tangent for a circle with using center. So PR is perpendicular to T dash. T dash is the required tangent. Okay. Now steps of construction. Step number 1. Okay. Draw a circle with center at, what's the center? P, of radius 3.4 centimeter. That is step number 1. Step number 2. Take a point or on the circle, join P and R. PR. Step number 3. Draw a perpendicular line TT dash to PR, which passes through R. Step number 4. TT dash is the required tangent. TT dash is the required tangent. So question number 12 is over. So construction of a tangent for a circle with using center is over. So I'll be teaching that next problem number 13. That's the next model, construction of a tangent without using center, that is by using that alternate segment theorem. The next video. Thank you, children.